Hi everyone, this is William here from Beyond Infinity, and today I'm going to go over this question from the Thinking Skills Sample Test. So it's a Selective Sample Test 2022, which you can find on the New South Wales Department of Education website. This thinking skill question goes like this. Hermione and her friends each had 3 shots at the target. Zoe scored 8, Bobby missed 1 and scored 4, and Gabby scored 11. All 4 zones of the target are worth a different whole number of points. The middle zone is worth the most points, and each zone is worth fewer points than the one inside it. What did Hermione score? Well, you can pause the video for a minute, have a think about the problem, see if you can solve it yourself before watching the rest of this video. All right, so how can we solve this problem? Well, we first note that this target has 4 zones. So let's go ahead and label each of these zones. We'll label the most outer one as A, the one next to it as B, C, and the innermost one as D, right? If we use this labeling, we can see that Zoe scored 1 in A, 1 in B, and 1 in D, and she got 8 points. Bobby scored 2 in B, and she got 4 points. So that means that B is in fact 2. Now for Gabby, she scored 1 in C, 1 in C, and 1 in D, and she got 11 points. All right. Now, just this information is not enough. We've got 4 variables here. We've only managed to solve 1, and there's only 2 more equations. So just using this information is not going to get us where we want. The key here is actually this. Each zone is worth fewer points than the one inside it. Okay? We have identified that B is 2. If B is 2, then that must mean C must be equal or greater than 3. And D must be greater than C, and so D must be greater than or equal to 4. Okay. Now, if D is greater than or equal to 4, we can try D equal to 4, but we have to also know what Gabby had. Gabby has 2 C's and 1 D, so that equals to 2C plus D, and that equals to 11. This is odd, this is even, so D must be odd. Okay? If D is odd, that means that D can be 5, 7, and so on. Okay? If D is 5, then looking at this equation here, that means C equals to 3. So that works. If D is 7, then looking at this equation here means that C plus 3 equals to 4. So that means C equals to 2, which doesn't work because C needs to be greater than or equal to 3. So D equals 5 and C equals 3 is the only answer. Okay? If D equals 5, then we can plug this back in here. D equals 5, B equals 2, then A must equal to 1. Okay? So then now we can look at Hermione and say, well, Hermione is A plus C plus D. So that means she's A plus C plus D equals 9 points. So the answer for this is C, 9.